Hello my 3D printer peeps, I'm here with the SparX powered by Creality i7. The i7 has an all-in-one hot-end nozzle and today we are going to replace it. This is the i7 toolhead cover. It's removable without any tools. Simply pinch the cover and pull it forward. There is no need for heat. We will replace this hot end cold. Place your finger underneath this lever, pinch and pull. Flop this little bracket off the clip. Place your finger under the nozzle and over the latch. Pull down and forward. To replace the nozzle, line up the throat with this slot in and up. Flip over the latch. Hook the teeth, depress the lever, replace the silicone boot, and you're done. You will have difficulty removing the hot end with the silicone boot installed. Remove the boot first. Pinch the SparX cover and simply slide it back in place. The top will have a little bit of a click. Just like that, it's that easy. You have successfully replaced the hot end in your SparX, powered by Creality i7. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.